Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Essential conditions of acceptance. The following conditions must be fulfilled for valid acceptance. Absolute and unqualified. Acceptance must be absolute and unqualified to the terms of offer. New conditions or qualifications must not be introduced to the offer during acceptance. It becomes counter-offer and not acceptance. Example: A offers to B to sell his Maruti car at rupees 1 lakh. B replies that he accepts the offer if A gets the car painted red. B's reply does not amount to acceptance of A's offer. This becomes a counter-offer. Communicated to the offerer. Acceptance must be communicated to the offeree by the offeree to the offerer. Normally, the communication of acceptance is express, but sometimes it may be implied from the acts or conducts. Communicated in the prescribed way. Acceptance must be communicated in the prescribed way or in the normal way. If acceptance is not given in the prescribed manner, the offeree may reject the acceptance and communicate the rejection of acceptance within reasonable time. However, if such rejection of acceptance is not communicated within reasonable time, it shall be treated as accepted. Example: A makes an offer to B. The offer states that the acceptance must be communicated to A in writing within 7 days of receipt of letter. B on 7th day just informs his acceptance over telephone. A may refuse to accept the telephonic communication as valid acceptance and must communicate the rejection within reasonable time. Otherwise, the acceptance will be treated as valid. Within specified or reasonable time, acceptance must be given within specified time or within reasonable time if no time is specified. Otherwise, the offerer may treat the offer as lapsed. Example: A makes an offer to B. The offer states that the offer is valid for 7 days only. B accepts the offer after 15 days. A may refuse to accept as valid acceptance as it was not received within the specified time, treating the offer as lapsed. Future agreement. Future agreement is not an acceptance. An agreement to enter into an agreement upon terms to be fixed in future date does not amount to any contract. A film producer offers to an actor to fix his remuneration at a later date depending on fixing of the location of the shooting. Hence, there was no binding contract between the parties. Mental acceptance. Mere mental acceptance is not acceptance. A offered to B a company to supply coal. B's purchase officer asked the clerk to send the purchase order to A. B's clerk just kept in his own mind but did not send the purchase order. Meanwhile, the price of coal increased considerably. B's purchase officer demanded A to supply the coal as per the offer. Held, A may avoid the offer because there was no acceptance on B's part. Silence. Silence cannot be implied as acceptance. Example: A wrote to B, I offer to sell 100 tons of coal at rupees 12,000 per ton. If I do not hear from you within 7 days, I will treat that you have accepted the offer. B did not reply. A cannot assume B's silence as acceptance. Multiple multi-part offers. If an offer contains multiple parts, several offers bundled into one, all the parts must be accepted in toto. Non-acceptance of any part amounts to non-acceptance of the entire offer. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.